Merchant Navy Recruitment 2024 notification for 4,000 various vacancies has been made public by the Indian Merchant Navy as of March 11, 2024. The application process has begun and prospective candidates have until April 30, 2024 to submit their application online. Merchant Navy Recruitment 2024. For a total of 4,000 openings, the Merchant Navy has opened application for various of jobs including cook, seaman, electrician, engine rating, deck rating, welders, and mess boy. Interested parties may apply online, but before doing so, it's important to go over all the pertinent information including the age restriction, application cost, and eligibility requirement. The online application period will open on March 11, 2024 and close on April 30, 2024. It is advised not to wait until the last minute and to finish the application between these dates. Those who want to work for the government and support their country should take advantage of this chance. Those who are interested may apply and sealantmaritimes.in/ the official website. Indian Merchant Navy Application Forms 2024. On its official website, sealantmaritime.in/ the Merchant Navy has posted employment openings for a variety of positions. The deadline for application for the Merchant Navy recruitment of 2024 is April 30, 2024, and the application procedure has already begun. How to apply for Merchant Navy recruitment 2024? By following the instructions listed below, an individual may apply for the Merchant Navy recruitment 2024. Visit the official sealantmaritime.nic website. On the web page, look for the link for Indian Merchant Navy Recruitment 2024. Give your details such as your age and educational background. Upload the necessary files, cover the application cost, press the submit button to finish the procedure. Merchant Navy Recruitment 2024 vacancy. There are now 4,000 opportunities available in the Merchant Navy's Recruitment 2024 announced today. Below in a summary of the available position by post. Number 1, cook, 2,003 posts, mess boy, 9,022 posts, welders or helper, 78 posts, electrician, 408 posts, seaman, 1,432 posts, engine rating 236 posts, deck rating 721 posts. Merchant Navy Recruitment 2024 eligibility criteria. The examination body has issued the qualifying requirements for the Indian Merchant Navy Recruitment 2024. To learn more about the specifics of the qualifying requirements, candidates may consult the official announcement. For every job. A different set of educational requirements has been established. The highlights of the qualifying requirements for Indian Merchant Navy recruitment are shown below. For candidates, the age restriction and educational requirements for the Merchant Navy Recruitment 2024 are listed below. Cook 10 class pass, 17.5 to 27 years. Mess boy 10 class pass, 17.5 to 27 years. Welder or helper ITI in related trades, 17.5 to 27 years. Electrician ITI in electrician trade, 17.5 to 27 years. Seaman 10 class pass, 17.5 to 25 years. Engine rating 10 class pass, 17.5 to 25 years, and deck rating 12 class pass, 17.5 to 25 years. So these are the restriction and educational requirements for the various vacancies. Documents required for Merchant Navy. To ensure a smooth application procedure, make sure you have the necessary paperwork ready, like educational quality certificates, passport, birth certificate, nationality and identify proof, medical certificate, sponsorship letter if applicable, character certificate, entrance exam admit card and result, passport size photographs, training certificates if applicable, and visa if required. Indian Merchant Navy Jobs 2024 application fee. Applicants must pay a fee of rupees 100 online to finish the application procedure. The official notice states that there is one application cost for each post. A 100 rupees application fee must be paid by the candidates. Merchant Navy 2024 exam patterns. Applicants interested in learning about the Merchant Navy exam pattern for 2024 may consult the official notice. For comprehensive preparation, it is essential to comprehend the kind of question, the quantity of question, and their corresponding scores. All of the information required for the Merchant Navy recruiting of 2024 is provided by the official test pattern, like general awareness 25 marks, science knowledge 25 marks, English knowledge 25 marks, aptitude and reasoning 25 marks, total 100 marks. Merchant Navy Recruitment 2024 Salary. The Merchant Navy recruiting of 2024 will pay the helpful handsomely. The pay data are shown below. For deck rating 50,000 to 85,000, engine rating 40,000 to 60,000, seaman 38,000 to 55,000, electrician 60,000 to 90,000, welder or helper 50,000 to 85,000, mess boy 40,000 to 60,000, and for cook 40,000